Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to put your Samsung Galaxy in maintenance mode. So if you have some problems with your phone and you want to send it to repair and you don't want to see anybody your pictures or messages, it is very easy. Just go to settings and here go down and tap on battery and device care. Now go down again and we have here maintenance mode. And now let's read. Maintenance mode protects your privacy while someone else is using your phone. In maintenance mode, your personal data, including pictures, messages, and accounts, can be accessed. So this is very good. And to turn on this feature, just tap here. If you want, you can enable restart without creating a log. The log shows which apps are used and any errors that may have occurred recently. I will do this and now just tap restart. And now it's switching to maintenance mode. Your phone will restart soon. I will put the phone down and let's wait for a few seconds. And now I'm back and it's switching to maintenance mode. Let's wait a few seconds. And as you can see, here appears maintenance mode. So now let's go to the gallery. And as you can see, I don't have any pictures. And let's go to the messages. And this app isn't allowed by the device owner, so this is very good. Let's go to calls and I don't have any calls. So this is a very good feature. If you want to disable, just go back to battery and device care and go down, enter in maintenance mode, and to exit from here just tap exit. Your phone needs to restart, tap restart. And now you need to verify your identity. Okay, I will draw my unlock pattern and now we'll restart and we'll back in the normal mode. So I hope this video to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.